In the spring of 2020, Vattenfall will start construction of the Kriegers Flak offshore wind farm in the Baltic Sea. SABIK Offshore has been commissioned to mark the construction site. Due to bad weather conditions during February, our team only had 3 days to launch the 29 yellow buoys. Nevertheless, we were able to complete the job on time. We used heavy-duty spar buoys made of PE plastic with self-contained lanterns on top. The integrated communications allow us to monitor both the position of the buoys and the function of the lanterns via the internet. SABIK Offshore, your experts in marking offshore wind farms.